Assalamualaikum, welcome everyone. Today I will present to you our project Datacom and networking. This is our group members, Kwashi, Zahin, Nabil, Adam. Now we move on to introduction, business and network requirements. Overview to start. The company has 25 employees across 5 departments. The office measure 40-60. The first floor. For marketing, have meeting room 1, marketing office and lobby. The second floor have development office, server room, meeting room, and the third floor have room for finances, executive 1 and 2, human resources and admin. Our solution focuses on robust, reliable and secure networking and server infrastructure tailored to our diverse departments, each with unique requirement. Marketing requires high-speed bandwidth for social media, presentation and video content. Development need wired connection for coding, testing and cloud servers. Finance, secure communication for sensitive data. Now we move on to the proposed hardware software. Network devices. Our network infrastructure includes router. We are using Cisco RV345 and the price is 1.3k for handle multiple VLAN, support to 50 devices and advanced security. Switches, we use TP-Link by cost 530 ringgit, 1 unit. It has 24 ports, support VLAN and traffic management. Also affordable and scalable. Access point, we are opting for Wi-Fi 6. APs like Ubiquiti U6 Lite costing 530 ringgit each. This support high client density, offer secure guest networks. Firewall, the Fortinet FortiGate 30E priced at 1.7k enhances data protection with an IDS and support fast VPN services, crucial for remote access. Our centralized server setup is a Dell PowerEdge T40 priced at 3,000. It's for centralized resource hub for the development team. Support hosting of internal application, version control and testing environment. It is effective for small office network. For efficient network management, we will use SolarWinds or PRTG, providing free for network monitoring. FortiGate integrated firewall software to enhance our overall network security. Here our summary cost breakdown, totaling 9,934 ringgit for hardware and software tool is free of charge.
And now I will be explaining the network topology and design of this startup that we are planning. We believe the most suitable network topology for this startup will be the tree and the star topology. Why do we use the tree topology? We use it in the core layer for its number one, simplicity and easy management of devices within the network, because it allows for easy segmentation of the departments for each department with the use of VLANs, and also it provides better traffic management by using a hierarchical design, which is the tree, so that workload can be better distributed. Secondly, it provides higher performance. This is because it reduces the workload on the core router by distributing the workload to the floor switches. Number 3 will be scalability, as more switches or devices can be added without redesigning the whole network. And last but not least, for the tree topology would be fault isolation. This is because issues can be isolated to a specific branch in the tree, as they can track where exactly the problem lies. Now onto the access layers. Why do we use the star topology for the access layers? Number 1, also the same, simplicity and easy management of devices. Secondly, higher performance as well, as each connection to the central switch is isolated, which prevents data collision. Number 3 will be scalability, as it's very easy to add more devices to the network for future use. Maybe more employees and more workstations can be added. And number 4, fault isolation. If one device, such as a workstation, fails, it will not affect other workstations or the switches, because it is very easy to remove it from the network, unless the device that fails is the wireless access point or the switch. Starting off, we have the internet, which is depicted as a cloud with all the strings attached to it. And moving on, we have the firewall, which will filter out all the explicit URLs or anything that's blacklisted that you have to set up yourself. Then we have the router, which will then distribute the data according to the IP address that the data is sent with. And it will distribute to either the floor 1 or 2 or 3 switches. And if the data goes to the switches, it will then, from the switch, we'll look at the MAC address and it will send the data according to which device has the matching MAC address of the data. And I've also highlighted each star topology that there is inside this network, and it is depicted in the blue boxes. And the very obvious tree topology consists of the switches, the router, and as well as the firewall. And I'll give you a second to take a look at this.
Hi, I'm Adam, and welcome to our overview of our IP addressing and subnetting for our network. Our network supports 5 key departments: marketing, finance, development, admin, and executive management. Each department has a different number of users and devices, so we needed a smart and optimized solution to allocate IP addresses. Why VLSM? We chose variable length subnet masking, or VLSM, for 3 main reasons: efficient IP usage, which minimizes unused addresses compared to traditional fixed subnetting, which is FLSM; scalability, making it easier to allocate new subnets as our network grows; and finally, optimized resource allocation towards the network, ensuring each department receives exactly the number of IPs they need. Here's how we allocated subnets, starting with our largest department, development, which requires 14 hosts. Using a /28 subnet, we provided 16 total IPs, 14 of which are usable. Similarly, we assigned appropriately sized subnets for marketing, finance, admin, and executive, all based on their specific needs. For example, marketing was allocated from 0 with a /28, giving it a usable range of 1 to 14. Development, requiring 14 hosts, received from 16 with a /28, and smaller departments like finance and administration use /29 subnets, which are perfect for their 6 usable IPs. In total, we used 56 IPs from the range given, which is 192.168.10/24, leaving 198 IPs available for future expansion. This ensures our network is not only efficient but also scalable. By using VLSM and virtual LAN, we've built a cost-effective, efficient, and scalable network that supports the unique needs of each department.
For internet access, Unify is the perfect solution for our game development startup, offering a powerful combination of speed, reliability, and scalability. With the 1 gig plan, we can efficiently manage large file transfer, collaborate seamlessly, and support the internet needs of a 25-member team. The symmetrical speeds ensure smooth uploads and downloads, critical for tasks like cloud collaboration and asset management. Unify's wide coverage across Malaysia, including in Kuala Lumpur, ensures we are always connected, while its business-focused features, such as static IP options, provide the flexibility to adapt to future requirements like hosting servers or setting up remote access. Additionally, Unify's affordable pricing and bundled service, including VoIP and cloud storage options, make it a comprehensive and cost-effective choice. Backed by Telekom Malaysia's reputation for reliability and customer support, Unify gives us the confidence to focus on innovation and growth, knowing our internet infrastructure secure and future-ready. When comparing Unify, Maxis, and Time, Telekom Malaysia stands out as the best overall choice for business requiring reliable, scalable, and comprehensive internet solution. Telekom Malaysia's nationwide coverage and extensive service offerings, including VoIP, cloud storage, and managed IT service, make it ideal for business with multiple locations or diverse needs. Its scalable plans cater to business of all sizes and industries, ensuring flexibility as operations grow. While Time offers competitive pricing, particularly for 1 gig plans in urban areas, its coverage is limited, making it a better fit for those in high-rise buildings. Celcom, on the other hand, is best for business that need mobile or hybrid connectivity and are working in areas without fiber availability. Overall, Telekom Malaysia delivers the best value for business that prioritize reliability, nationwide access, and comprehensive solutions, making it the top choice for sustainable growth. In conclusion, the proposed network solution is a cost-effective and scalable system that meets the startup current and future needs. It used tree and star topologies with VLAN segmentation for efficient traffic and security. Key hardware like the Cisco RV345 router and Fortinet firewall, along with optimized IP addressing, ensure smooth operations. TM Unify Business provide the reliable, high-speed internet necessary for growth. At a total hardware cost of RM9,934 and free software, this solution is both affordable and effective, setting the startup up for success in the gaming industry.